Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems. Whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide, we have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to check spam folder on Gmail. First of all, you can open the Gmail application. I can already open the Gmail, and now you can see the three lines at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it. After tapping on it, make sure if you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do. Trying using a VPN, it's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. Now continue the video. You can just simply scroll down, and here you can see the options. Tap on spam. After tapping on spam, you can see the spam emails. Here you can empty spam bin now. After tapping on empty spam now, the spam emails is deleted on spam folder. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.